Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and I'm going to show you how we can check the number of apps that you opened during the day. So at the first we have to move for the settings, then we have to find digital well-being and parental controls, and then we have to go for the app timers. And when we are here, as you can see here, we got all apps that we have on the smartphone. So I use settings for the 17 minutes, and let's check how many times I opened that app. So when you scroll down, you can see that in my case, I use it more than 100 times. And what about the camera? Around 13. Messages, 1 time. And the gallery, 6 times. So that's how we can check it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.